attracting a lot of attention here at the show is a brand new Jaguar 980 chopper. Now this was released last fall, but this is the first public showing, and it's attracting a lot of attention. And here to talk about it today is Mark Stoltz.
Yep.
And why did you feel the need to come out and launch this chopper last fall?
Well, we've got increased capacity, and a lot of customers are asking for a higher horsepower machine that can chop more silage faster, I guess. We've got a dual engine machine here now. It's 860 horsepower. We've redesigned the cutting cylinder on it, so we can, it's a little easier to do maintenance on the machine, and we've got increased wear lifetime on the knives themselves.
And you also have a new head on this machine. Tell us about that.
Yep, we've got the Orbis 750. It's our first 10-row corn head, and we've redesigned the corn heads themselves. We do have the Orbis 600, which replaced our old RU 600 corn head. And we did away with the auger on it, and we've changed the way the feed flows a little bit through the corn head itself to make it so there's a better design and less plugging of the corn head itself. So.
And with this launch, this is your largest then in the series with the whole setup?
Yes, that's correct. This is the largest corn head that we have with the largest chopper that we make. So.
And suggested list price for the whole unit?
Well, the corn head itself is about $100,000, and the chopper is about $400,000. So altogether, about $500,000. So.
And Jeff, what do you have new on the Lexion side?
Well, new for 2008, we have a number of new cab features. We have the new color monitor display, our CBIS terminal. That will feature all the monitoring and controls for the operator at his fingertips with its new color display. We also have the new AgLeader Insight terminal, which is a factory installed option now from Lexion. And also this year, the 2007, this past fall was our first production year for the chopping corn heads in both 8 and 12 row 30-inch configurations, and that corn head is really geared for the guys who are very interested in intensive residue management. A lot of guys going on with corn on corn need that extra chop that the chopping corn heads can do. It really multitasks the combine and does two jobs at once when traveling through the field. It sizes the material for faster decomposition and gives you a better distribution material across the header width of the combine.
And what's the suggested list price on the chopping corn head?
The 8-row corn head is lists at $70,000, and the 12-row 30 lists at $102,000.
And how about the display cab features that you mentioned?
Yeah, the color monitor, the CBIS display. You have all of all the functions of the combine are displayed right in one monitor, in line of sight with the header. So it makes the operator doesn't have to pull his eyesight away from the monitor and look up in the top of the cab or along this corner post away from the header. So his focus is always down on the header and the field in front of him. And the controls are the 24 crop settings, automatic crop settings, the yield monitoring and yield mapping functions, as well as the autopilot functions and auto contour functions and many more.
Now, is this an option or standard equipment, and how much is it going to cost?
It's standard equipment, so it is included within the base price of the combine.